a rainy day. The cats can't go outside because it's too wet. You can hear the rain on the roof of the bus. Reggie is sick, or has been, so he can't go out in the rain. He loves to wade in the water. He'd very much love to be outside in this. Right, Reggie? Wouldn't you? Yes, you would. And that's his mother, Eddie. Hi, Eddie Katie. And Tony. Hey, Tony Baloney. And we just heard Willie. Hi, Willie. Willie. Yes, Willie. Yes. Why, Willie. Willie. Yes. And there's Mustache. Hi, Mustache. Hi. And there's Bert. Bert. Hi, Bert. Brownie. Brownie. Hey, my Brownie. Brownie. Yes, Brownie. Miles. Kiss, Miles. Yes, kiss. And there's Snaggle. Never answers me. There's Mommy Cakes. Hi, Mommy. Yeah. Yes, Willie. What, Willie? Hi, Willie. Willie. Meow. Yeah, meow. Willie, meow. There's Chocolate. Hi, Chocolate. Yes, Chocolate. Tiger. Hi, Tiger. And there's Reggie again. Mommy Cakes, or Booter. Hi, Boot. Hey, Booter. Booty. Monkey. Hi, Monkey. Monkey. Hi. Alice. Hi, Alice. How are you, Alice? Hi. Evan. Hi, Evan. Ink spot. Oh, that's Brownie. Sorry. Hi, Brownie. Hi. Couldn't tell, it's so dark in here. Hey, Stormy. Boots. Stormy has his name mixed up because I thought his name was Boots and called him that for a while, and now it wasn't, so. Cleo. Hi, Cleo. Now, Ink Spot. Hi, Ink Spot. Hi, Inker. Now we're slowly getting this place cleaned up. Hi, Cleo. Yes, Cleo. And Back-a-Bus. Spot there in the chair. Hi, Back-a-Bus. Guess it's raining out there. Slowly getting this place cleaned up. Oh, there we go. There's Smokey. Hi, Smokey. Hey, Smokey. Hi, Smoke. Oops, we have a box number here. What you doing?